Hi guys, you may have found a great property you want to put in offer straight away. Now, how do you do a calculation? How do you know whether the property can be cash flow positive or negative or break even? A simple way I can show you. As a rule of thumb, if you buy a property for $500K, you need $500 per week to break even. If you buy a property for $600K, you need $600 per week to break even. But for the more accurate way and also easy way, I'll show you. If you buy a property for $500K, then $50 per week will be 0.5% return. That's 0.5%, which means 1% will be $100, which means if you pay 4% interest rate, you need $400. Now, if you buy a property for $600K, then $60 per week is 0.5% return. 1% will be $120. And you want to pay 4% interest rate, that will be $480. Now, if you buy a property and do it up, if the total cost is $700K, again, $70 will be 0.5%, $140 1%, and $560 is 4%. Of course, if you have done it up for the first few years, you don't have much maintenance to do, but you still need to pay rate, which is about $1,800, and insurance about $700. So in total, it'll be $2,500, which means that's another $50 per week. So on top of that $50, you need $610 to make it break even, which is very achievable if you do it in the right way. Happy investing!